Spots. 7 on the random. We're going for some Trout action here. There's the order. All right. Here we go. Next person to spend 150, guys. Giving away not only your roll, you're getting 2 spots. 63 set break spot, 80 baseball cello spot. We got 2 autographs and 1 autograph relic per box. Good luck, everyone. Mike, you're up first. Okay, that's spot 1. Guys, let's get something moving here. Okay? We have the 8 o'clock giveaway. It's a 61 Willie Mays. Oh, what's up, John? It's a 61 Mays, guys. Jonathan, you got your ooh, the SP Authentic box. Is that sold out? Did we just sell that out? Yeah, man. Good job, John. Thank you. John's got a roll coming to him. Spot 2, Mike. Good luck, Mike. Nothing. Spot 3, Mike. Good luck.
Oh, is it platinum?
Yeah. You know what we're going for.
There's a Harper auto in there, right?
Harper.
Machado or no?
No Machado.
I know there's a Trout base. I don't know if there's an auto. There might be. I'll leave these here if you want to show these to everyone. That's the new graded hit random.
Yeah.
And I just put up the ungraded.
Okay, cool. We'll do. Gotta break the other ones first.
Yeah, no, it's pretty wild.
It's like non-stop action here.
I like it. I like it.
I love it. Here's spot 5, Mike M. Good luck, Mike. Auto jersey at a 99, Max Ramirez. Fortunately, not the one that you wanted, but it's still an autographed bat. So there's that belongs to Mikey. We're going to get to 6 in a second.
Is there all the go rounds?
No, not yet. Here's Mike. Nothing there. So got 2 autos left in here, guys. Spot 7. Mike again. This one is Mike M. David Glazer. Good luck, David. Autograph. Kyle Seager. Not bad. Kyle Seager. That's spot 8. Who's 8? David Glazer. I know, but I understand that. Isn't Kyle Seager a decent major leaguer run? I would be very excited if it was Corey Seager. Here's spot 9. Jesse. Matt Harvey. Green Matt Harvey. And goes to Jesse. Here's spot 10 for Randall. Yeah, it could be worse, Ron. It could have been that Max Ramirez that we just pulled, which was pretty gross. Rob, are you going to know this is Bowman Platinum?
What?
You didn't know this is Bowman Platinum? You must. You'll know, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the first half.
Yeah.
Okay, spot 11. Good luck, Mike. Guys, you got 17 minutes to get into the 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock special. That's 61 Mays, 63 set break spot, 78 football wax spot. Next person to spend 150 not only gets a roll, also gets a 63 set break spot and an 80 baseball cello pack spot. Not bad. Mike, spot 12. Kyle Parker. God, remember Kyle Parker? Spot 13. Nothing. $14. Michael. Jared Parker. $15. Michael Costello. $16. Alan Tate. Good luck, Alan. Still another auto in here, guys. Cutter Dykstra. $17. Jesse, good luck. Gold Refractor, Drew Vedelson. Maybe we're saving the best for last, guys. Mikey, you got this pack is yours. Good luck, Mike. Machinist Mike. This one is Sal. Good luck, Sal. Christian Colon. Last spot belongs to Mike. And by the way, guys, we got the 7 to 8 special, or 7 to 8 giveaway. Any spots purchased between 7 and 8 o'clock tonight, giving away a 61 maze, 63 set break spot. Also giving away a 1980 cello pack baseball spot. And if you next person spend 150, I'm giving a 63 set break spot and an 80 baseball cello spot away as well. Here's the second auto, guys. Hector Noesi. Ugh. It was worth a shot at the Harper, guys. This didn't happen this time. Here, Robert. Here's the second half of that box. Thanks. You want to get the graded hit random over for me? Oh, it's right there? Cool. I just want to get this personal pack done, and we'll do the graded hit random.
It's not graded hit random.
Cool. Thanks. All right, here is the 79